Napakasarap ng aking pagkain ngayon. Look at that. Sisig and dinakdakan. Pero you wouldn't guess what it's made of. It's made of crocodile. Oh. Would you dare to cook it? Ito yung recipe ko. Magpipiga tayo ng maraming kalamansi dahil magluluto tayo ng masarap na pulutan. Eto, piga tayo ng kalamansi. Magluluto tayo ng sisig at dinakdakan. Sobrang kakaiba ng ating recipe today because we are using a special ingredient you won't expect. Pero eto, simulan natin sa ating kalamansi dahil we want it to have that sour flavor. Ito siguro mga 10 kalamansi yung gagamitin ko. At medyo wild yung gagawin natin today. As in wild dahil ang lulutuin natin ay Dundee, crocodile Dundee, and I am using crocodile meat. And this is the rib siya. Very firm. So, for my marinade, I am using toyo and calamansi combination, no? So ito, this will get our flavors going. So we are marinating. And kung akala nyo na medyo may weird flavor yung crocodile, actually wala. Very neutral yung flavor niya. There's a bit of textural difference from the other meats we are used to. Pero, I promise you, masarap siya. So meron tayong baking pan and we will roast our crocodile ribs. I will just pour this excess marinade para as it bakes, we will retain the moisture. Yan. And may bago akong oven. Hamden built-in digital oven. So beautiful. Easy to use. Yan. And ito, highest heat yung gamit natin. 220. And we want to roast it for around 30 to 40 minutes. And eto siya, medyo experiment pa tayo dahil first time pa natin magluto ng crocodile. For our sisig naman, we will be adding, again, several pieces of calamansi para sa ating sisig. At ang gagamitin natin, ibang part naman ng crocodile. Ito, tail fillet. And we will squeeze our calamansi. And it's said to be one of the healthier kinds of meat dahil mataas daw yung protein ng crocodile. High in protein and low in fat. Makikita mo naman, very lean. And ito, ang aking crocodile Dundee. Oh. Parang siyang malalaking fish. Like that. So, we will marinate this with soy sauce and calamansi. Ito yung base natin. Because later on, ihalo naman natin with other natin na timpla. So, ito siya. So, we will leave this for a few minutes to marinate. If you have time, pwede mo din siyang gawing overnight. At napakaganda din ng aking bagong Hamden built-in tempered glass 4-burner gas stove. And the burner is made in Italy. Ito, upgraded ang flame failure safety device which automatically cuts off the gas supply. Pag nawala ng apoy, hindi kakalat yung gas. Safety is first before aesthetic and utility. Kaya hindi tayo natakot pag ito yung gamit natin sa bahay. Meron tayong bisita dito. The crocodile himself. Ito yung kasabayan kong kakain ito mamaya. Oh. Ronel, join me here. Oh, kasama ko si paring Ronel. Bakit mixer gamit mo?
Ay!
So,
ano ba?
ito siya. Ang role ni Ronel ngayon
blender eh.
is maghihiwa siya ng sibuyas. So, dapat marami tong sibuyas, di ba? Ako naman, ang role ko dito, magsisir ako. Magsisir ako ng aking crocodile. Ready na si paring Ronel. Napakaganda ng aking bagong 4-burner stove, di ba? Look at that, di ba?
Yun, no?
Made in Italy yung ating burner.
Siya may parapol ganyan?
Tanong natin, may paraffol? Hindi sumagot. Para akin lang daw yan. So ito, ito pag-usapan pa ba natin tong ating napakaganda din ng aking pan, no? Di ba? Alam mo ba, Ronil, kung saan ko nabili tong aking pan?
Ay, saan yan, chef? Saan?
Sa Wilken.
Eh, malapit lang pala.
Nandun lahat, pati yung crocodile natin, doon ang galing yung crocodile natin. Tingnan mo siya, may honeycomb design siya. So ito, non-stick siya. Yung dark part, ito yung non-stick. Then di ba yung honeycomb na
Yeah.
parang grid? Ito siya, protection siya na
Para hindi mag-scratch.
hindi mag-scratch. Galing, no?
Galing.
Then konting oil. Ano ba yung luto nito? Medium well?
Siguro, ano.
Ano ba?
Well done.
Well done? Ayaw ko i-well done kasi
Titigas na sobra.
titigas sa sobra.
Ah.
Eto, simpleng marinade lang to. Toyo at saka kalamansi. And sear. Yan, no? Yan. Yan. Eto siya. Tatabi natin. And we will dice it into small pieces, ha? At igigisa natin siya with a little bit of butter. And I'm done. Kumanda tayong sizzling plate. Oil. Garlic. Gisa natin yung ating garlic. Onions. Half of our onions. Chilies. Gisa natin yan, ha? Then, we will add our crocodile meat. Ito, tail to, ha? Tail. Lalagyan natin ng seasoning granules para maging malasa yung ating crocodile meat. Konting vinegar. Black pepper. Konting water. Sangkot siya natin ng konti yung ating meat. Konting soy sauce. And ito, lalagyan natin ng konting savor. Para sisig na sisig talaga yung lasa. Yan. Simmer lang natin. Habang nagsasangkot siya yung ating sisig dito, sisilipin natin yung ating crocodile ribs. Ay, look at that, oh. Ito naman to para sa ating dinakdakan. Few more minutes at ilalabas na natin yung ating roasted crocodile ribs. At ito na, ready na yung ating roasted crocodile ribs baked in our smart hammed and built-in digital oven. Ito siya, 75 liters yung kasya dito sa loob. And look at that, it's so beautiful. Perfect golden color, smoky aroma. And tingnan mo, napakapantay ng luto. We will let that cool down. Tatanggalin natin yung ribs and we will cut them into strips for our dinakdakan. At eto na. Pag nakalimutan natin na mag-preheat ng oven, we don't have to worry dahil yung ating oven merong rapid heating feature that allows you to heat the right temperature at a very short period of time. And eto, a little bit more. Gusto natin dito manuyot-nuyot ng konti. And ating ribs, gagawin natin. Let us start with our ribs. Kasi gagawin din natin siyang dinakdakan style. Beautiful, oh. May litage siya, oh. Woo! Eto, key in cutting your crocodile meat is to cut across the grain. Very nice, oh. Look at that. So, ito, masarap to. Mayonnaise yung gamit natin. We're using mayonnaise with calamansi. Lagyan natin ng ating savor. Mix everything together. So we're making like a dressing. Black pepper. Blend. Now our onions. Ito. Julienne onions. Chilies. Marami ba? Marami. To finish our crocodile meat. One. Look at that. Oh. And let us plate. Crocodile dinakdakan. Oh. Walang biro. Ang sarap niya. Papatikim natin yan kay paring Ronel later. Ating first recipe, crocodile dinakdakan. And our second recipe, ito, yung ating ginisang crocodile meat. Ito pa lang siya. Masarap siya. Chilies? Yes, of course. Onions? Mix, 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 mix. And our sizzling plate is ready. Dapat malamig na yung ating inumin, ha? Butter, butter, butter. Now, we add our sisig. Ay. Pwede mo din lagyan ng egg kung gusto mo. Ito, very simple, very straightforward. Pero papatikim natin to kay paring Ronel. Diba? Garnish, sili, calamansi, and we're ready to serve. So perfect. Alam mo, yung ilalim nito na medyo tutong-tutong ng konti adds crispiness. And we are done. And we will try 2 of our recipes today using crocodile na bili natin sa Wilcon. If you are enjoying this video, kakaiba siya, please subscribe to the Simple.ph YouTube channel where we will be making classic recipes and also doing a few twists with very interesting ingredients just like this, crocodile. Before we say it's a good recipe, kailangan natin tikman. Ronel, come on, let's go. Tikim-tikim tayo. Dapat i-compare, ano mas gusto mo? Yung sisig, which uses the tail, the buntot, or the dinakdakan uses the ribs. Ito, medyo rich yung flavor. Ito, medyo very kilawin type. Sige. Ito, masarap itong may... Ito, gusto ko dito yung medyo tostado. Sisig is the way. Kailangan ng kanin or beer.
Correct.
Lesson learned today. You have to keep an open mind. Di ba? Kasi minsan may new ingredients, hindi mo na-expect. Turn out really well today. At sobra akong natuwa gamitin yung ating bagong oven dahil may 12 innovative cooking mode siya. So ito, kahit nasa studio ako or at home, kaya ko magluto parang nasa restaurant ako. Very sophisticated yung functions ng aking yung Hamden oven. O, di ba? And here it is. We are successful today. Pasado, lasa, the recipe itself, you can easily recreate using crocodile meat. 2 recipes, ating crocodile sisig and our crocodile dinakdakan. Simple.
Simple.ph. Living made simple.